Today I will show you how to generate high-quality models wearing images to boost your sales by 3 steps. Step 1. Enter the virtual try-on feature and upload your product image. You can upload from local files, previous files, or directly from your Shopify store. Step 2. Choose a model. You can upload your own model photo or pic from preset library. In the model library, you can select model based on your clothing type, upload your own models in the custom section for future use, or click Model Maker to instantly generate your desired models. For this demo, we're using a young woman wearing a long-sleeve down jacket, the highlights purple region showing where the clothing will be applied. We can adjust the area by here. With these 5 options, you can adjust the apparel area manually if you want. Please noticing that for best results, mask exposed skin of the model that the product should cover like the arm for long sleeves product. Step 3. Click Pose Variation. Customize the model's pose and angle. Here you can generate up to 20 images at once, with multiple variations possible for each pose. When you're ready, hit Generate and watch the AI work its magic. The results are stunning, with the model and clothing maintaining perfect consistency across all angles. Finally, click Download to get your high-resolution, watermark-free model lookbook by today.